What's up everybody, welcome to the video. Jordan Steffen here, and today I'm going to do a little unboxing of these filters for the Molekule air purifier. For those of you who don't know about the Molekule, or maybe you're watching this video to learn more about it, I have made some videos previously on my channel, and I'll link those below. Now, if you go and take a look at those, you'll see that I've had this purifier for over a year now. So if you're wondering my opinion of it, well, one, I like it enough to have used it 24/7 for the last year, and two, I like it enough that I forked over the $100 to get another year's worth of filters for it. So that's what this is. This is enough filters for the next 6 months, your box of fresh air, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. So I've already cut the seal here, but inside you'll find instructions on how to install the filters, and behind door number 1, this is the star of the show. This is the Pico filter, the photoelectrochemical oxidation filter that makes Molekule different than other air purifiers. Essentially it uses a UV light and a nano particle coated filter that acts as the catalyst to destroy anything that makes its way onto the filter, and supposedly without releasing ozone into the environment. In fact, it's reported to destroy ozone in their tests. And then behind door number 2, we have 2 of the pre-filter. Now this is just a simple, can't use the word HEPA, but a simple sort of HEPA style filter. But let's take a closer look at these. Now before we continue, out of full disclosure, Molekule did not send me this unit to review. They did not send these filters. I've paid for all of this with my own money. However, I do belong to their affiliate program, so if after watching this video you decide you want to purchase a Molekule for yourself, I do have a code in the description below that'll give you $75 off it. It's Jordan75. If you enter that at checkout, you will get $75 off, and I will also receive a commission from that sale. So now that that's out of the way, let's take a look. So let's take a look inside the box here. So as I said before, this is kind of the star of the show. This is the so-called Nano Filter. Now, this is the one that destroys the pollutants rather than just collecting them like a standard HEPA. So there it is. That's what it looks like inside. And this will go into the top of the unit, and I'll show you that right now. You may have seen this before, but push down, twist this, quarter turn, this pops off, and out comes the old filter. Now, if you compare the color, you can see that the new one is a little bit more white than the old one. So it has collected some sort of material over time and as it's aged. And the light in the top of the unit that passes through the filter, you can actually see that it's darker in color. It doesn't emit as much light over time as things collect on this filter. So even though it is claiming to destroy particles, it is collecting something, somewhat of their residue on the filter. So to change this, you just pop this top off. It just kind of sits in there with a little rubber gasket. So you pop that off, set that aside, and then it just pops in to the new one. You can go ahead and stick that in there. But before I close this up, I'm going to replace the pre-filter, and the pre-filter is the one that really gets dirty because that's collecting a lot of the dust and stuff that's on your floor. Now I want to draw your attention down here. So before, when I pop this up, this is kind of what went up and revealed this little drawer right here. So opening that reveals the old filter. Here's the new filter for comparison. Here you can definitely tell that this is really a lot dirtier. And just wait till I flip it around. Totally disgusting. So this is just gonna pop out of here, and I'm actually gonna go kind of clean this up because there's a lot of dust that's been left behind. So I'm gonna go kind of vacuum that off before I put the new one in. So with that all tidied up, just simply pop this new guy in, insert it back, push this down, give it a quarter turn, it's good to go. I'm going to pick it up, it's a handy handle, take it back to the next room. So as I mentioned, this was a 6-month supply of filters, so it does have one more of these pre-filters left. So these you replace every 3 months, whereas the big one you replace every 6 months. So I'm going to kind of keep this somewhere, and then I'll continue to enjoy fresh air. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit like, leave a comment below. And again, if you wanted to pick up one of those molecules for yourself, check it out. Go to their website, just molekule.com. And if you want to support the channel and get $75 off for yourself, use code Jordan75 at checkout. And I've included a link for that down below as well. So, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.